560.
Everyone, when I call your name, just let Ms. Roki say her name first, and then you can say your name. This is the people versus Nikki Shea Riley. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but ticket number SP 1133125, count 1, allowing a licensed driver to drive. Ticket number SP 1374680, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good
Your Honor,
morning.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Riley. Ms. Riley, can you say
Yes.
your name?
Nikisha Riley. Hi, good morning.
Your Honor, at this time, the people have made a recommendation, my client, they would offer a delayed sentence on the allowing and the licensed driver to drive and dismissing no insurance. My client's waiving her rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Riley. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 6th, 2020 at 1:45 p.m. Were you the owner of a 2018 Mitsubishi vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
That vehicle was stopped by the police around that time.
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki.
Your Honor, satisfied.
And the court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission and you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
It's dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. You have to have that fine paid by your next court date, which would be July 5th at 8:35. During that time, you can't get, because this is a 3-month delayed sentence, you can't get any more tickets. So essentially no further police contact. If you do all of those things, this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Did you have any questions?
And what about the one with no insurance?
That was dismissed today.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, so just do those things and then the other ticket will be dismissed as well.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
All right, you're all set, ma'am.
All right, great. Have a wonderful day.
Okay. This is the people versus Alexa Gonzalez. Ticket number SP 1399249, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Gonzalez.
Lexa Rosales.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
What day is it? Raise your right hand, Ms. Gonzalez. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial on April 20th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You have any questions, Ms. Gonzalez?
No, thank you.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Robert Raspberry. Ticket number SP 1408452, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Robert Raspberry.
Yes, Robert Raspberry here.
Your Honor, Mr. Raspberry showed me a insurance certificate dated May 16, 2023, and a registration dated 11/12/2023. I'm moving for dismissal of both matters and stipulate probable cause.
All right, before I get that, you're all set, Ms. Rosales. Mr. Duncan and Ms. Daniel, turn your videos on, please. All right, with that, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. As Ms. Daniel, thank you, turn your video on. As Mr. Raspberry has provided valid documentation, unless you have a question, Mr. Raspberry, you are all set, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Alexis Daniel, ticket number SP 1205203, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number 1949889. Count 1, robber's license in possession. And then ticket number SX 4147458. Count 1, drove a license suspended, revoked, denied. Count 2, motor vehicle operation without security. And I think that is it.
So, Pauline Strauke, we have Alexis Daniel. Your Honor, there are only 2 tickets on the docket. Is there an offer?
The other tickets are in, there is an offer. The other tickets are in warrant status.
So can we have an offer on all the matters?
Yeah, so you do have an offer from the city of improper plate and failed to display. And then dismissing the no-op. I'm sorry, wait a minute, I'm sorry. And yeah, dismissing the no-ops and the no insurance. And then for the state, it would be failed to display.
So, plead to 3, and how many are being dismissed?
1, 2, 4. No, I'm sorry. So it would be 3. If she pled to 3, it would be, it's only because she has the state matter. So the people's, the city's offer is to plead to 2 and dismiss 2. And then the state's offer would be plead to 1 and dismiss 2. Or dismiss 1 rather. Because she has a civil infraction.
So, Ms. Daniels, I don't know if you want to accept that or come back to a trial date. I think you could probably do better on a trial date.
Okay,
So a bench trial date's all right, ma'am?
that's fine.
Okay,
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down. You understand you have right to a jury trial?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set all of these matters for a bench trial date on April 20th at 9 o'clock.
you said April who?
April 20th at 9 o'clock.
Okay,
You're all set. All right, so you all said, Ms. Daniel, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Delonte Roden, ticket number SP 1407835, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
How you doing? Delonte
Yeah.
Roden.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Roden. Mr. Roden did show me insurance. The date is 6/22/2023. I'm moving for dismissal.
You stipulate your probable cause.
Yes,
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Roden has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank
you. You're welcome. This is the People versus Timothy Duncan. Ticket number SP 991106, count one, bill for display of valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1310553, count one, drove while unlicensed. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. Duncan.
Timothy Duncan.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation for dismissal on these matters. We'd stipulate to probable cause.
All right, both officers did check in, but indicated they had no recollection, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice.
Thank
You're
you.
all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
There was another one.
There was a female who came back. I think she's in the waiting room.
There's no one in the waiting room, but there is a Tiffany Dancy Pete. I think that's a dismissal too.
You got it?
Yeah, you want me to bring her out?
Yeah, sure.
There's also an officer on it. He's not coming out though. Okay, here he is. All right, this is the People versus Tiffany Nancy Pete, ticket number 154639992, count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Lehman. You're muted. All right, I just muted you back.
Officer Edward Lehman.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name is Nancy Pete.
Tiffany Dancy Pete.
Your Honor, I believe there's dismissal on this matter. I'd stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Nancy Pete. Good luck to you, ma'am, and thank you, officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Ms. Nancy Pete. Good luck.
Thank you.
Did you speak to Aaron Reeves? I think Ms. Horn just wanted to set those.
Yeah, I needed an offer. Did you?
She was just saying, just set it for trial to see.
Okay. And how about Niska Drake? Did she